It is Wednesday, or as Miss Berry likes to say, it is hump day. I'm so proud of all the work that we're getting done. Thank you for tuning in Monday and Tuesday. Let's continue pushing forward. We're going to take that knowledge that we've been learning Monday and Tuesday and we're building on it today so that we can use it in addition. Repeat our I can statement after me. I can add two-digit numbers. So we're using two-digit numbers. I'll explain that in a second. Using base 10 blocks and single cubes. So I know that it seems like a little tongue twister or a little mind crazy hearing two-digit numbers. But basically what I'm saying is I can add. So what sign am I going to use? Subtraction or addition? Yes, addition. And then it says I'm going to use two-digit numbers. So I'm going to have one two-digit number here. And this is my second two-digit number here. Two-digit numbers, okay? So that's what I meant by that. So our critical question of the day is actually something that I mentioned yesterday. So if you were listening and paying attention, you'll be able to answer it today. When drawing our base 10 blocks and our single cubes, which one do we count first? So I'm going to use this example. I have 14, so that means 1, 10, and 4 ones. And I have 24, 2 10s, and 4 ones. Which will we count first? My 10s or my ones? I will count my 10s. Now, because we have two-digit numbers, that means that I'm going to count all of my 10s. I'm not just going to count my 10s for 14 because I also have 10s over here for the number 24. So I want to make sure that I'm counting all of my 10s. So this is how I would count them. 10. I still have 10s over here, so I need to keep going. 20, 30. After I've counted all of my 10s, so I have 3 10s in all, then I'm going to count my ones. So I'm starting with 3 10s, so 30. I'm not going to start at 1 again because I'm starting from 30. Let's continue going. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So I'm saying that 14 plus 24 equals 38. Well, I already started checking to see if this answer was correct because I already wrote 3 10s. But I'm saying that I also have how many ones? 8 ones in all. So let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. 5, 6, 7, 8. So our critical question asked when we are drawing our pictures, which one should we count first? Our 10s or our ones? And our answer is to count our 10s. We always count all of our 10s first. It's easier to start with 10s and then add some instead of starting from 8 and trying to add 10 to 8 and then 10 to 18, then 10 to 28 because that's going to take forever. So we always count our 10s first. Awesome job. Now that we know that we're going to count our 10s first, we need to practice counting both sides of our 10s and both sides of our ones. I don't want us to get confused with just counting one side and thinking that that's enough. So we're going to put some examples on the board. If you guys remember from 2 weeks ago, we learned the word horizontal and we learned the word vertical. Today, because we're drawing a picture, we're going to do horizontal addition. Horizontal means that I'm going from left to right. That's how my sentences are going to look today. So let's start off. We'll start off with the number 27 plus 12. What does it equal? Well, I know that I need to draw a picture. If I have two-digit numbers, how many different pictures should I have? If you said 2, kiss your brain. I should have a picture for my 27 and I should have a picture for my 12. Well, let's break it down. We know this step. We're going to draw our picture for 27. How many 10s does the number 27 have? Yes, 2 10s. Notice that when I draw my 10s, I'm not drawing them as a skinny line. I'm drawing them as a rectangle. This is going to help us in the future. 2 tens. How many ones do I have? Awesome. 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Am I done yet? No. I said that because I have two two-digit numbers, I also have to have 2 drawings. I only have 1 drawing right now. Now I want to draw my next one. I have the number 12. How many tens are in the number 12? I have 1 10. And how many ones? Awesome. 2 ones. Now I want to count my picture. I want to count this all to find my answer. Remember, our first step number 1, is count all of our tens. I want to count all of my tens and then count all of my ones. So let's start. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, those are not my tens. Let's try this again. 10, 20. I still have a 10, so I'm going to count that one as well. 10, 20, 30. Okay, starting from 30, now I'm going to count by ones because I no longer have tens, but I only have ones left. So I'm starting at the number 30. Let's count. Ready? 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. I still have some ones over here. 38, 39. Now, the way that I'm going to check my work is by seeing if I have 3 tens and 9 ones. Well, let me number them. I have 1 10 here. This is number 2, and this is number 3. I do have 3 tens. That checks off. But I'm also saying that I have 9 ones. Let me see if this is correct. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 tens and 9 ones. So 27 plus 12 equals 39. Can we do another example? Yes? All right, let's get to it. I want to do a higher number. So let's see. What about if we did 53 plus 26? 53 plus 26. What is that going to equal? Well, my first thing that I'm going to do is draw my picture. And how many different pictures should I have? 2 pictures. One for the number 53, one for the number 26. Let's draw them. How many tens in the number 53? 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many ones? 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. Am I done? No, I need to now draw my second picture. How many tens in the number 26? 2. Great. 1, 2. How many ones in the number 26? Yes, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I want to count my whole picture, and I'm going to start counting with my, my 10. So let's count them. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I still have some 10s here, so I need to keep going. 50, 60, 70. Am I done yet? I finished all of my 10s, but now I need to finish my 1s as well. So I'm starting at 70, and now I'm going to count my 1s. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. I'm going to put 78. Now, Mr. Nieves made a mistake, but I want to show you how checking our work could avoid us getting the wrong answer. All right, so I counted 78. Now I want to check my work. So let me see if I have 7 10s and 8 1s. Count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 10s. Now let me see if I have 8 1s. Let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have one more down here, 9. So I don't have 8 ones. How many ones do I have? I have 9 ones. So my answer can't be 78. My answer is actually 79. So you see, it's important for us to check our work, because when we check our work, we make sure that we have the right answer. Today, you guys are going to add 2 two-digit numbers using your base 10 blocks and single cubes. Make sure that you are counting all of your 10s first, and then you're counting your 1s. Also make sure that after you've answered, you check your work. Say it. Again, check my work. Say it. And you're going to check your work by counting how many 10s you have, and also how many 1s you have. You guys are doing an excellent job. Super proud of you guys. See you not on Thursday, but on Friday. So make sure that on Friday you tune in for our next lesson. Tomorrow, which is Thursday, if you have any questions, please tell your parents to reach out to us, because we do have our office hours to help you out with your work. Doing a great job. Make sure that you're completing Google Classroom. Keep it up.